Come along on a journey. Let's all go to the zoo, where we'll learn our ABCs with the animals that we view. From A to Z, each letter we'll explore. With creatures big and small, let's learn a little bit more. Zoo Alphabet Safari, come and sing along. With lions roaring and monkeys swinging, it's where we belong. From the alligator to the zebra too, we'll learn our letters with a fun-filled zoo. Sing along. A is for alligator with its sharp teeth so wide. B is for bear, sleeping safely inside. C is for chimpanzee, swinging through the trees. D is for dolphin, playing in the seas. Zoo Alphabet Safari, come and sing along. With lions roaring and monkeys swinging, it's where we belong. From the alligator to the zebra too, we'll learn our letters with a fun-filled zoo. Sing along. E is for elephant, with its trunk so long. F is for flamingo, dancing in a throng. G is for giraffe, reaching for the sky. H is for hippo, swimming peacefully by. Zoo Alphabet Safari, come and sing along. With lions roaring and monkeys swinging, it's where we belong. From the alligator to the zebra too, we'll learn our letters with a fun-filled zoo. Sing along. So come along with us on this alphabet zoo quest. Learning with the animals, we'll do our very best. Zoo Alphabet Safari, a song that's oh so neat. Learning the alphabet with the animals we meet.